Hello, inventor. What is your name?
Stacy.
Who are you designing for today?
Ralph.
Who is Ralph?
Mouse.
And what does he need?
He needs to have a house, and he has to have a house can give.
Great. Can you tell us about your design?
This is the window, and this is food putting, and this is door, and here is car put, and this is what? Clock.
Does anyone else have any questions about Stacy's design?
No.
No? Do you have any questions?
What is
Ralph?
this? Key. Who don't come in and key. Here is key.
Anything else you want to say about your design? Nope. Great job.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.